Hello guys, and welcome to a new episode of Unbox Muse. I am Unbox Muse guy and I'm here to present you a bunch of boxes. Guys, I'm not a geek. I don't know how to build all this. My twin, he do it. I'm just a gamer, huh? You understand me, right? Let's leave it to him. So guys, now I need to present the best, the most intelligent, the smartest, the giggest twin in the world. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Patrick Ago. Thank you, and this is the perfect way to introduce me. I mean, like, you should do it every week. Every week you should. Sure. This. Don't get used to it. What? Not funny. Anyway, guys, thank you for the first 100 subscribers. And my goal, my dream, is to get to 100k. What? Yes. 100. What? Yes. What? Bye-bye. Where you left? I mean, like, this is the perfect episode. Like, he lived without me kicking his ass out. That's the perfect way. But I mean, like, come on, we can reach it. I need you. You don't. Wait, because you don't understand that to get to 100k, I have to get in touch with 100k ladies. Ooh. It's not that I dislike it,
No, you don't.
but I mean, I get tired sometimes.
Oh, come on, you
don't
can.
No.
Come on, leave.
You see?
I mean, go.
I mean, like, you can use some protection. Anyway, let's begin. So, we will start to unbox this beast. I mean, like, this desktop worth more than $5,000. All right, I will open each one of them, and I will leave this baby here, this one, the Intel Core i9, for the end. All right. So, what do you want to begin with? Let's begin with the cooling system right here. The GLACE 240 from XIGMATEK. So, it's an RGB, it's a vibrant RGB LED pump with two RGB LED fans, with the RGB can be synchronized using the included fan hub. Nice. Manuals, protection. This is the fans right here. So you have the fans. Fans have RGB colors, and this is connected directly to the i9 you saw, right? So next we have the KINGSTONE SSD for 80 GB. This is to boot the crazy system. Next we have the HYPERX 16 GB. I have 4 of them, so in total of 64 GB for this beast. No more. This is a SEAGATE 4 Tera. It's an RGB power supply, 1200 watt. It has a smart zero fan, low ripple noise, fully modular, and 100 Japanese capacity. So you have the cables, all the cables, and then the baby power supply. So you have the switches on off, RGB lighting, right? And all the connections. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080. So in the back you have the RTX 2080 key features, and there are two I want to highlight it to you. It's the NVIDIA G-Sync and the VR Ready. And guys, if you didn't subscribe yet, just do it now, because in the upcoming episode of Unbox Muse, I will be unboxing some VR headset. Just do it now. Let's unbox this one first. Ooh. So this is the Gallardo edition of the NVIDIA RTX 2080. So you have the 3 fans here, and then a protection right here for the connection to the motherboard. Wow, that's a beast. So I've chosen the MSI motherboard X299 SLI Plus. It has an RGB Mystic light and it's VR ready. So in the back you have some specification, and I want to highlight some of them. Like the CPU support, it supports the new Intel Core X series processor family. 4 PCIe 3.0, 16 slots for this. And then the memory support, it supports quad channel DDR4 4133 plus, dual channel DDR4 4500. And then the storage, you have 2 Turbo M.2 Intel Optane memory ready, 8 SATA 6 GB per second. The USB, you have 3.1 generation 2, 8 USB 3.1 generation 1, and 8 USB 2.0. And the last one is the audio 7.1 channel high definition audio. So you remember the headset, the Logitech headset? This is for the MSI. Bring the MSI, bring the Logitech, and let's open this box. Some cables, some other stuff, CDs and tablets. So this is the MSI X299 SLI Plus motherboard. I mean, like, Unbox News is not about giving you details. I mean, I can show you the motherboard, alright, but Unbox News is about bringing you this crazy Core i9 X series i9-7940X. This has 14 cores. You can see it here. 14 cores. 28-way multitask processing, and it has a 3.1 GHz, and I think you can boost it like at around 4.1, I think, maybe more or less. And this baby, it worth around $1,200. Let's open it. This is not only the processor, this is not only the heart of the motherboard, this is your heart. You live for it. Now guys, what do you think? I built this gaming PC and you watch a small video and I'll see you just after it, okay? Guys, you need to check out Bara-Tek. He's a good friend, he's a crazy dude. He provided me with the GeForce RTX 2080 and especially with the Core i9 X series with 14 cores. Check his Facebook page. He will provide you with the same specification or even higher, and he can deliver in the whole Middle East. What this beast? Oh my god, what did have hidden? What all this USB 7.1 audio HDMI? Oh, GeForce RTX HYPERX 64 GB. Oh my god, look at the RGB lighting. Ooh. And guys, really, My twin is the beast in cable management. Did you see? Are you seeing what I'm seeing? What is this? You think I can control the light? Ooh, what? Blue. Woohoo! Wow. Oh, damn it. Now, guys. I'm sure he will not give it to
Winnie, come on.
Oh.
This is a gift for you. You should be dancing.
Gift?
Okay, dancing. Right. Anyway, while my brother is dancing and having fun, I want to tell you this, only this, is worth more than $5,000. Without monitors, mouse, keyboard, only this, $5,000. Wow. Now guys, if you want me to benchmark it, do a video editing test, gaming test, After Effects, let me know. Just comment down below and I will do a special video just for you. Just comment down below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe just now. Okay, we need to reach 1,000 subscribers, not 100K for sure. 1,000 subscribers. Thank you again for watching and dance, enjoy life. Okay, bye bye, peace.